Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create an offer in Google My Business profile. As you can see, I am into Google and I have just simply searched for my business name, or you can search for my business, right, using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your Google My Business listing. If you don't know how to create Google My Business listing or how to claim Google My Business listing that is already created by somebody else, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the Google My Business tutorial. We have created dedicated video on them, and now we are going to post an offer on our Google My Business profile. So we'll simply click on post, and here we can click on add post, and here we will select the offer, and here you can make any title. For example, I have given a title to my offer. Here I can enter the description, right, giving 10% discount on digital marketing course, whatever, although I'm already providing a huge discount, right? So here you can enter the start date of this offer, and the start time and the end date as well as end time of this offer, right? And you can also schedule this post so that before that particular date it automatically gets published over your Google My Business profile. You can also add the coupon code link to redeem offer, or you can mention the terms, right? What are your terms and conditions for availing this particular offer, right? And here you can simply add the banner of that particular offer, right? Make sure to follow the Google Photos policy before uploading photo over here. Like, don't use too much text box, or don't use too much branding or like watermarks, and keep your photo relevant to your business, right? And then you can simply click on post to post an offer on Google My Business profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.